What's up, guys? This is it's actually my shop truck. It's an 84 Mazda B2200 diesel. This is only made for 2 years in the States. Factory diesel truck. Has 84,000 OG miles on it. It's got a Perkins 2.2 liter 4-cylinder diesel. Perkins, Caterpillar owns Perkins if I recall. It's a cat motor, basically. Truck runs great, drives great. Like I say, this is my shop truck. Currently registered. It's a diesel. That's what's cool about it. Pre-smog in California, so there's no emissions required on it. It's a good old truck. I've driven this truck multiple thousands of miles, so I know it's solid. There's not a damn thing wrong with it. You could drive this thing cross country tonight if you wanted. This is a very rare find for anyone that knows anything about these trucks. There's not many of these on the road. I can't even tell you the last time I saw another one next to this one on the road. It is pretty much all original. It's got 84, I said 84. It's got 83,000 original miles on it. I have the original owner's manual. It's registered in my name, clean title. Yeah, it's factory diesel pickup, which is freaking bad. ASS. I can't say it because YouTube, but this is a cool little pickup, and I know there's someone out there looking for it. Perkins 2.2. Super cool. The thing runs like a dang top. It's clean motor. This thing is so reliable. It really is. It always starts. I can let it sit for a month at a time. I breathe on the key and this thing fires right up. There's really not a dang thing wrong with it. Runs so smooth for a diesel too. This is a rare find. I love this little truck, but it's time to move on. I don't know. Just in my little shop. It's a long bed too, so I put a bunch of stuff in the back of this thing. It's like, what, a 7-foot ladder, no problem. Yeah, old school truck, man. Tags are current. Mazda diesel engine. I call it Mozzie, like the rapper. That's his name. Everyone calls it Mozzie. It's just people love this truck. Everyone loves this truck because it's funny, because it's a diesel. That's what's cool about it. There's no real cancer on it. They're just nubs in the bed because they're single wall beds. Yeah, she's really clean. No rust either. Very solid little pickup truck. Take it for a little drive. Show you how she runs. Yeah, only 83K. Window down. Thing runs great. Slow, I think it's got about a whole 60 horsepower. Believe it or not, this truck literally gets 40 miles a gallon. It's reliable. Radio's missing. Go figure. Yeah, it's reliable. You can drive it anywhere. Literally New York if you wanted to. Yeah. Interesting. The price is gonna be, say 3,500 bucks. What the heck? 3,500, 3,200. Man, probably 3,500 just because it's rare and cool. Yeah, Spencer's Honda's on Instagram. I want to post it up there, and let me know if you're interested. Thanks.